Hello students, good morning to everyone. Today in this video we are going to start our new essay, The Spider and the Bee, written by Jonathan Swift. As in the previous video, as I have told or we have known about the writer Jonathan Swift, his works, his identity. So let's have some intro. Jonathan Swift was an Anglo-Irish poet, critic, political pamphleteer, and for some time also she was Jonathan Swift was dean of Patrick Cathedral. So, and Jonathan Swift was generally thought to be the greatest prose writer of the 18th century because in the 18th century there was sudden flood of satire writing, and he was one of the world's finest satirists. He is considered mainstream because he often commented on human behavior and observed many minor things of human life. And if we talk about his work, then he has wrote many great works, and one of them is Gulliver Travellers, and another that Battle of the Books, A Tale of a Tub, and in arguments against abolishing Christianity, in which a narrator argues in the favor of Christianity or Christian religions for the betterment of society. So now we start our essay, The Spider and the Bee. As this image is telling something, that this essay is about two insects. One is the bee and second is the spider, and both these insects represents the category of writers. For example, bee represents the um, old writer like Aristotle, ancient writers like Plato, Longinus, whereas spider represents modern thinkers. For example, Bacon, Bayron, science and technology. So this essay is all about these things, and uh, the essay start with the incident when uh, bee in excitement enter into the spider's house or castle, which is originally a cobweb. So what happens there we will read in this essay. So now we are going to start our essay. This essay uh, begins with the incident of a spider who is in castle giving carefully, no worry, but the excitement of a bee makes some mistakes or creates some problem, and this problem goes so critical that it called accident. देखिए, things were at this crisis when a material accident fell out. Means everything was going well. The spider was resting in his castle or in his cobweb, which was situated on the highest corner of a large window, so that no one can reach there or see that, and there will be no disturbance in that castle to spider. For upon the highest corner of the window, this is the location of this cobweb, which is called in this essay castle. For upon the highest corner of a large window there dwelt a certain spider. The high corner who lives there is a certain spider, means a healthy, strong personality spider lives there. Swallows for the up to the first magnitude by the destruction of infinite number of flies. And this spider got very healthy. And why he got healthy? Because of the destruction of uncounted number of flies. He has ate so many insects, so many flies, that he got very healthy. Whose spoils lay scattered before the gate of his place, and spoils of those flies are lying at the gate of this castle, and this spoils looks just like that human skeletons lying uh, before the gate of a Ghent. As a Ghent eat a man and throw the human bones, just like that, this spider finished many um, life of flies and throw the spoil of them at the gate of castle. The avenue of to his castle were guarded with pumpkins and plazas, and the structure of this castle is very well planned. That because from every side this castle was secured. Every aspect of security, every aspect of comfort is mentioned in this house. The castle were guarded with the Tumkin and palisades, all after the modern way of fortification. And this castle architecture of this cobweb is designed in modern way. After you have passed several courts, you come to the center. Or if a guest want to come or want to meet the owner of this castle, or uh, constable or the uh, protector of this castles, he will have to cross many courts, many ways, many doors. Then, wherein you will behold the constable himself. Who is this constable? The owner. Who is this owner? The spider. Past several courts, you came to the center wherein you might behold the constable himself. And after crossing many ways, many courts, you will find the owner in his own longings, in his own chamber. Means the chamber of spider is in the center of castle, which had windows fronting to each avenue, and windows of this chamber opens in the opposite side and ports to sally out upon all occasion of prey or defense. And there are many doors, many ways to run away or to secure himself in any condition, whether it is the condition of hunt or whether it is the condition of defense from other. So defense from other means this castle is designed so well that in any condition there will be no harm to the constable. There will be uh, no risk to this spider or prey in defense. Means any condition, whether it is the condition of hunt or to trap any insect or to protect himself. So this is our video. Thank you.